Well, we're wanting to hit the woods this weekend, and as you can tell, something is missing from the front of this Jeep. And I'm going to make a lot of people mad and hate on me, but it's almost Christmas time, and money is on short supply, and I went with something other than a worn winch.
If you don't get a worn winch, you'll probably get stuck in a mud hole, freeze to death, and die.
I guess I'm going to have to take my chances because this one was on sale for $299. And it looks exactly like the Harbor Freight job that my son has. And we've had a few of those on our side-by-sides, but I just couldn't pass up on this one. We're going to go wheeling this weekend. I had to have something. I don't have a lot of money to spend on a winch right now, and I didn't want to go without a winch on this specific trip. So I'm going to give this one a try. We'll put it to use and see how it holds up. Sucker is heavy. Well, the hook's not quite as good as the Badlands winch, but that's okay. I was going to change it out anyhow. Probably change that also. It has a wired remote, and it's supposed to have a wireless remote also, but I don't see that. Oh, there it is. Wireless remote and a wired remote. So it has both of those. They had this thing on a Black Friday special. Normally I think they're like $600, but I mean, it looks pretty good. The plate that came with my bumper has a couple chips on it. So I'm just gonna have to take that off and paint it later. I don't have any paint right now because that'll rust. The only buyer's remorse I have so far is the way these wires come out of here and go down, they're all exposed. I've got to run these two here back to the battery, but this module can be detached and remote located. So that's probably why those wires are exposed. But on the Badlands that my son has, there's actually a cover over those and you can't see them. But I mean, you know, I zip tied them down. You can't really see them from the front, but if we're nitpicking here, that's one difference I see between this one and the Badlands. Okay, it's installed and operational. Works and sounds just fine. The free spool button feels quality and heavy duty, engages and disengages like it should. The hook is garbage. I mean, I just don't even really want to reel it in and damage the finish on that. I guess I could hook it down here, but definitely going to replace that right away. Ran the wires back in there. Like I said, I'm not a fan of that, but you know, you really can't see it. Looks pretty snazzy. So I'm happy with it. We'll give it a workout and see what it does. We didn't get a chance to use it today. We've been out wheeling. You're going to have to check out that video. We hit some pretty decent trails today, but we did not get stuck. And I didn't get a chance to try it out, but I like the way it looks. I removed all the decals and stickers. I'm going to paint this. I covered up that goofy looking red writing with a sticker temporarily, but I'm happy with the way it looks. It finished the front of the Jeep out quite nicely. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss this trip that we're on right now. I should have that video posted in a couple days. God bless you guys.